In Kumamoto's heart, where history's alive, lies Mifune town, where ancient tales thrive. Mifune Dinosaur Museum, fossils in display, whispers of creatures from a bygone day. Oh, Mifune, with your vibrant scenes, Kahaba Festival ignites our dreams. From Yoshimuta Highlands, expansive grace, to Mifune Castle ruins, a storied place. Kasiki hunters seeking treasures deep, unearthing secrets that the earth does keep. Mifune Terrace, where travelers rest, savoring moments, feeling truly blessed. Oh, Mifune, with your vibrant scenes, Kahaba Festival ignites our dreams. From Yoshimuta Highlands, expansive grace, to Mifune Castle ruins, a storied place. Through seasons change and rivers flow, Mifune spirit continues to grow. In every festival, every song, the heart of Mifune beats ever strong. Oh, Mifune, with your vibrant scenes, Kahaba Festival ignites our dreams. From Yoshimuta Highlands, expansive grace, to Mifune Castle ruins, a storied place. As the sun sets over fields so green, Mifune's beauty, a tranquil scene. With every step on its storied ground, the soul of Mifune in us is found.